Hello guys, today we are reviewing a hardware wallet for cold storage of cryptocurrencies called SecuX V20. So let's unpack this pretty gadget together and carry out the first setup. At the same time, I will tell you what I liked about it and what the manufacturer still needs to work on. But first, a little background. So company SecuX contacted us and offered to send their products for review without any conditions, which is actually very nice of them. Therefore, today's review is not sponsored and will be as honest as possible, only our user experience. Another crucial point is that you can get a 15% discount for all SecuX products by using our special link in the description, so go ahead, buddy. Anyway, if you wanted to learn all the pros and cons of SecuX V20, make sure to watch this video until the end, and let's go. First, a short overview of today's product, SecuX V20 hardware wallet. The first and the most important thing here is security. SecuX wallets are equipped with an Infineon SLE Solid Flash CC-EL5 Plus secure element chip. Hope I get it right. So basically, to securely store your PIN in private key and also authorize transactions without the private key ever leaving the device. That is, it provides air-gapped signing of transactions, so no internet connections ever touches the same device that stores your private keys, which is kind of cool. Basically, your data is offline all the time. As SecuX claimed themselves, such vault-grade and military-level security enables zero transaction leakage and surpasses those adopted by banking system as protection from malicious online attacks. The next important thing here is the protection against third-party intervention with tamper-proof sealing tape. Any attempt in access will result in evident markings. The manufacturer must use additional security measures during the delivery process. So special seal is a must nowadays because of multiple hacking cases. So my advice here, if you see that your seal is somehow damaged or you have some doubts, it's better to avoid using such a device and contact the support line. Another advantage and yet another security measure. So SecuX wallets generate your unique 24 recovery words and support BIP32, 39, and 44 standards, 12, 18, and 24 recovery word sets. It also provides a 25th word passphrase for additional security. On top of that, the wallet has the implementation of a dynamic keypad for PIN entry, which prevents breaking into the device by fingerprint tracing. And by the way, the wallet also resets itself if there are more than 5 unsuccessful PIN entry attempts, so you better be careful with that. What I like the most here is the SecuX V20's design, and it is damn cool. The manufacturer claims this wallet has the largest touchscreen on the market. With 2.8-inch color touchscreen, you can verify all transaction details and navigate through your portfolio easily. So I'd like to speak more about the design in the unpacking section. There are also 2 applications to make your user experience smooth. So SecuX's web-based application and SecuX mobile app. They provide secure connections and services to access and manage your assets. You can also use Bluetooth and USB to easily manage, send, and receive digital assets anytime, anywhere. And the final point is pretty similar to other crypto wallets because SecuX V20 supports more than 1,000 coins and tokens. It can manage up to 500 accounts with the private key securely stored inside to safeguard your assets on the blockchain network. So quite impressive, right? Okay, whoa buddy, don't you rush to use that 15% discount because it is not all clear yet. So let's finally unpack our SecuX V20. As you can see, the wallet comes in a square box with seals on both sides. The factory seal serves as a guarantee of your safety because a damage may indicate the use of the wallet by third parties, which is, of course, undesirable. In our case, both seals are in place. There is another sealing tape on the device itself. Check if it's undamaged. Inside the package, there is the wallet itself. The form factor of the SecuX V20 is somewhat ergonomic and stylish. It has a fully touch-capable 2.8-inch color display, which makes certain operations much easier, including displaying fresh QR codes directly on the hardware wallet itself. I can call the design original, a star with 12 points in 12 facets. The outside edge is made from aircraft-grade aluminum and it's crush-proof from all side angles. But this does not apply to the screen itself. Overall, the V20 looks and materials are commendable, although it's a little too big for me. The kit also comes with the branded case, USB cable, setup instructions, and several recovery sheets. This is everything you need to quickly set up and use your crypto wallet. When you turn it on for the first time, you will need to set up the device. This is a fairly simple process. So let's dive in. First, you need to come up with a PIN code of 4 to 8 digits that you will enter each time you use the wallet. Then you give it a name. After that, you need to generate a seed phrase of 24 words and confirm it. I consider this another advantage of SecuX V20 because the longer the seed phrase is, the more difficult it is to break. Use one of the recovery sheets to write down your phrase. Even if you lose access to your wallet or, well, something happens to the device itself, you can always restore access to your assets, which is super great. The next step is to connect V20 to your mobile or PC. For mobile, this is Bluetooth in pair with the installed SecuX mobile application, while for PC, you can use both Bluetooth and USB connection. The interface is quite friendly because adding a new account, for example for Bitcoin, just takes a few clicks. What I didn't like here was the use of BIP44 instead of BIP84, which makes transactions a bit more expensive and you cannot control that. Another disadvantage that caught my eye is the need to connect SecuX to the device every time to update the balance of my wallets. So like from one hand, your wallet doesn't go online directly, but connecting through software or the manufacturer's website is also bad for security. But from the pleasant, you can store and view not only tokens, but also NFTs on different blockchains. Besides, it is also worth noting that you can buy cryptocurrencies directly in the SecuX application and they will automatically go to your cold wallet. However, the price will be much higher than on exchanges, so it's about 5 or 10%. During testing, I came across another significant drawback: the lack of popular blockchains such as Polygon. Perhaps the situation will be fixed in future updates, and this is not so crucial because more than 1,000 cryptocurrencies are supported here. The same applies to some privacy coins such as Monero. Although V20 supports Dash, it seems to me that this is a rather drawback because people who are looking for increased security in the face of cold wallets definitely appreciate privacy coins. Well, I guess it's time to draw some conclusions. So let's start off with the advantages of SecuX V20. The design and materials are good and clearly stand out from the competition. 24-word seed phrase is nice to have for additional security. The support of many blockchains and more than 1,000 cryptocurrencies is a definite plus, although this is a common standard today. I also like that the team is expanding the list of cryptocurrencies with every update. A declared secure chip that provides air-gap signing of transactions is my final point for this section. So how about some disadvantages? Let's dive in. First of all, it is the price. This little fella comes at $139, which in my opinion is a bit too high, considering the drawbacks it has. The UI and UX overall are not as smooth as expected. It cannot update the balance without a connection to a PC or mobile. Some fairly popular blockchains and cryptocurrencies are still missing. Okay, in general, SecuX V20 is fairly good crypto wallet with its pros and cons, of course, but as you can see, I managed to find certain strength, but but did not bypass the shortcomings either. How will this hardware wallet fit well? So it'd be pretty good for crypto newbies as first wallet because it is intuitive enough. But if you are a trader beginner, you should also look at this device. Last, if you like stylish things, this one is for you. While preparing for this review, I read just tons of feedback, and I can definitely say that the progress is significant. So I hope, guys, my review will be enough to make a decision on whether to buy or not to buy SecuX V20. But if you still decide, do not forget to use the link with the 15% discount, which the guys from SecuX kindly provided us. Anyways, guys, I'd like to hear your opinion on today's review and also your experience with using this cold crypto wallet or any cold wallet in general. So, as always, don't forget to like this one, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate your support here, and see you next time.